Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw the dog airdrop from Telegram to your wallet. Okay, so first and foremost, if you've not yet joined the dog airdrop, make sure that you join it by coming to your Telegram and search for dog airdrop. When you search for dog airdrop, you come to the official channel of the dog airdrop, and as you can see, if you join their channel, they'll look for your link over here to join the dog airdrop. So when you click on this link over here, it will load up the dog airdrop main page, and this is my main page. As you can see, I have 838 dog airdrops. Okay, so guys, for now Telegram is giving out this dog airdrop to its users, and the number of dog airdrops you get depends on how long you've been on Telegram. So for me, I've been on Telegram for around 2 years, and this is how much I've been able to get. If you can calculate well, each dog airdrop will cost 0.04. Okay, if I come to my calculator here and I calculate 800, I have 838 dog airdrops times 0.04. So that will be around $33. Okay, so for this case, you can't withdraw this dog airdrop, but you need to invite more people so that when the dog airdrop goes live, you'll be able to withdraw it. Okay, so how are you going to invite more people? Click on the friend zone over there, then click on invite people. When you click on invite people, you can come here, then select the person you want to invite. So for my case, I'll invite this person here, and then I'll click on send. So the more people you invite, the more you increase your dog airdrop. And guys, as you know, it hasn't been launched, but it is soon going to be launched, because if you come to their official Telegram group over here, okay, they say listing is on 20th July, and if I see well, today is 16th July. So this means the dog airdrop is being listed within 4 days from today. So guys, make sure that you claim this dog airdrop right away, because it will be listed and we shall be trading it to get money. Okay, as you can see, it says listing is on 20th July. Okay, so that's it guys. If you will find value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.